So yesterday we did the first 5 problems in our lab, and today I hope we can finish this up. So make sure you have your journal notes, okay? If not, make sure those problems are copied down. And we need to make sure we are at toytheater.com, okay? So toytheater.com, remember, once you go there, you'll choose virtual manipulatives, and then you go down to where it says 2 color counter whiteboard, okay? So, yesterday when we were working, we did problems that looked like -6 minus -7, okay? So, if you do minus, you don't have to write this. If you do -6 minus -7, again, you don't have to watch this, but if you were confused, remember you start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Red because they are negative. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have -6 here. So hopefully we all know we start to the left. And do you remember what this means? That means take away. Take away what? 7 of what color? Because there's a negative, we take away red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't have enough reds. How many more reds do I need so that I can take away? I only need 1 more. So I have to put in a 0 pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 0 is still -6. So what you're seeing here still equals -6, okay? So now that I have -6 here, now I can take away 7 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what is my final answer? My final answer is 1. So remember, minus negative actually goes right. Okay? Normal subtraction goes left, but if I have minus a negative, that changes my thinking and it's going right. Okay? So I'm going to clear my board, and we are going to look at the next problem, which is so incredibly easy, you're going to wonder why I'm putting it there. So it just says 4 plus 6. It is literally that easy. So 4 plus 6. Sorry about that. 4 plus 6. 4. What kind of 4 is that? Well, since I don't see a negative, it's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? What does this mean? Add what? 6. 6 of what? Positives or negatives? You don't see the negatives, so you're adding positives. I'm adding 6 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these will not cross out because these are all the same color. Okay, this is a give problem. This is a give, not a take away. So how many yellow counters do you see? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So I'm seeing 10 positives, right? So basically, here's my 0. I started at 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I ended here. So I still moved right. So I started right and I moved right. So this is different from yesterday. These are in the same direction. These are in the same direction. Now I have 4 and 6 and I get a 10. What does it look like happened there? It looks like we added. because when they're in the same direction, you find the sum, which means you add. Same, sum, add. Now, let's see if that holds true with the next problem. Okay? Clear? Did not want to clear. Okay. So, write this one down on your paper, and we are going to do this with the virtual manipulatives. 3 minus negative 7. So, 3, take away negative 7. Now, if you followed along yesterday, you're going to be okay. Now, there's a few of you who may get a little confused, but we'll fix it. Okay? So, 3. What kind of 3 is this? Hopefully you can tell it's positive. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 3 positives. Okay? Now we are going to do what? Take away. Take away what? 7. 7 of what color? Red. That means red. It's a negative. So I want you to look here. How many reds do you need? You need all 7. So how do we get 7? How do we make this so that we can take away 7 reds? What did we do yesterday? We added 0 pairs. I need 7 0 pairs in order to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So if you think about this, I have 1, 2, 3, plus 0, plus 0, plus 0, plus 0, plus 0, plus 0, plus 0. So this whole entire thing, it still represents 3 positives. Okay? Now can I take away 7 that are red? Absolutely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tell me what you have there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am seeing 10. The same answer as last time. 10 that are positive. You do not have to put that positive, but just in case. Okay? So, since I'm going to be moving all in the positive direction here, I'm going to start here, 0. 1, 2, 3. So we know this is a positive, so it starts to the right, right? And then where does it end? It ends at 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So look at that. What happened? Which way did I move? Moved all to the right. Okay? Just like the last problem, these are in the same direction. What does it look like happened? 3, 7, 10. Well, it looks like we added to get this. Same, sum, add. These arrows are in the same direction. We find the sum, we add. When they're in the same direction, okay? Now, again, this part messes us up sometimes. And in this case, it's going to work fine. I have minus the negative. It's absolutely okay to change that to that, okay? Because normal addition also moves to the right, okay? So I hope that makes sense. Same, sum, add. If not, we're going to try again. So our next one is 8. This one is the one most of us normally miss. A few of you did get this right on the pre-test, but we still had a whole bunch of people. More people got it incorrect than got it correct, which is normal. This is the type of problem students miss most. And I know that sounds funny because it looks like a pretty easy problem, but that's how it happens. Okay, so make sure you've transferred this work. And I have -4, take away 5. -4, take away 5. Okay. And I know that it's minus because you would otherwise you don't say -4, -5. It's -4 minus 5. You have to have something that's telling you. You have to have the operation. Okay. Okay. So I want you to think on my number line. Where does -4 start? It starts to the left, doesn't it? And negative always starts to the left of 0. Okay? Now, on your board, show me 4 negatives. I'm going to wait for you while you're doing that. Now come back to me, and it says take away 5. This part is the takeaway, 5. Are the 5s negatives or positives? So this can be confusing. These are positives because I don't see the sign. If it was this, it would be different. That's a completely different problem, okay? So this actually means take away +5. I need to get rid of 5 yellows, not 5 reds. I need to get rid of 5 yellows because it's minus a +5, okay? So how do I get those 5? Give me a guess. I need 5 yellows. That's right. We're going to have to do 0 pairs. I hope that's what you said or what you thought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm having to add in 0 pairs. Okay, there's a hint there. I'm adding in 0 pairs. We did not have to do this yesterday. So now I can take away 5. 5 of what color? Positives. These are positives, okay? Because there's not that negative sign there. So I'm taking away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't want you, don't do this on your paper, but I'm going to cover this for a second. If you think of -5, don't you normally think when you subtract normally that we move to the left? Because that is what we are going to do. We are going to move to the left, okay? So I'm going to erase what I just did there. So I'm moving left because my answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's my answer. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, negative. So my answer is here, okay? So I'm actually moving backwards. This is what I say normal subtraction, okay? But look at my answer here. Does it look like we subtracted? It does not look like we subtracted because we're moving in the same direction. Our numbers are moving left and then more left. So it looks like we are basically adding to the left, which is why some of you change it to this. Okay, that's fine. I generally don't change my signs like that. I don't like to put in extra signs. So, -9, same, sum, add. And it's all to the left. That's why it's negative. Okay, so now I'm going to make another video for the last part.